junior year of college. My first day of school outfit is very boring, I will say. If you watched my back to school outfit ideas video, you would know that I wanted to wear this one outfit that was like a black t-shirt, a mini skirt, and my docs, and like 2 braids in my hair. For some reason, I just felt like that outfit was a little bit too intimidating. Even though it's not intimidating like at all, I'm overthinking it for sure. I was just thinking like, okay, if I saw a girl wearing this outfit, would I feel comfortable walking up to her and like making friends with her? And I just like wasn't sure. I basically just want to look as like inviting as possible because I've been told before that I look intimidating. I probably just have an RBF because I am not mean, I swear. So I have 3 classes today. There's a pretty big gap between my 2nd and 3rd classes of the day. So between those classes, I'll have time to like run some errands, which is really nice. I am actually excited to be starting school. I'm a person that really thrives when I have a routine. And so having like an actual schedule to keep me on track, I think is actually gonna be really good for me. So I am excited that I do have in-person classes. Anyways, I brought a little strawberry smoothie from Trader Joe's. I was rushing and I just grabbed something really quick for breakfast. I'm gonna go so I can drink my little smoothie. I'm gonna listen to emergency intercom and I'll see you guys when I get there. You guys, I just got to school and guess what? I could literally cry right now. Look at this. Oh my god, my eyes are already watering. Oh my god. So if you couldn't see, we just hit 600K. First of all, thank you guys so much. Literally, I can't even explain how much it means to me that you guys constantly support me and watch my videos and leave me the nicest comments. This is my dream job and you guys have helped me get it and keep it. So thank you so much. Second of all, I do have to say I am proud of myself because I set a goal for the summer. I said that I wanted to hit 600K by the end of the summer and it is literally 30 minutes before my first class of my first day of school. I'm counting that as hitting it. That's just so crazy how the timing worked out. But I am so grateful. Thank you guys so much. That was the best start to the day, honestly. We're currently at 600,006 subscribers. I'm probably gonna post something later, maybe on my break, because I have a special little video that I'm gonna post on TikTok and Instagram that I made for 600K. I cannot believe it. I'm just so excited. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go to my first class now, or at least walk over there and try to find it. I still have 28 minutes until it actually starts, so let's hope it goes well. Burning up right now. So I just got done with my first 2 classes of the day. Now it's my like longer break. I went to go walk to find one of my classes that is tomorrow. It's a hybrid class, so I'll be here tomorrow too. I thought I wouldn't be, but that's okay. I'm just so hot and I still have another class. But anyways, let me move you guys over here. Now I'm gonna go to Target. I have a few things that I need to return and a few things that I need to buy. These are probably gonna be my days where I just run errands during this big break. I can get gas, I can go to Target. I don't know, I could even go to the mall if I wanted to. But yeah, I don't know, I'm feeling kind of anxious. I really just don't know many people here at all, and I don't really know anybody that's in my major. I just felt really awkward today because it's hard to try to talk to people when you're in like a lecture. There's just not really much time unless you guys do like an icebreaker or something like that. I don't know, it's just hard making friends. Like, it really is. It's literally only the first day. Like, I'm kind of getting myself worked up for no reason. But if you go to my school and you want to be friends, please DM me and let me know. In between my first 2 classes, I had like a 30-minute break. I just felt so awkward for some reason. I was just getting in my head being like, oh my god, everyone's looking at you and they just know that you don't really know anyone. Don't really know why I do that to myself, but it's fine. There were plenty of people that I saw that I was like, okay, you look really nice. Like, I would love to be friends with you, but talking to them is the issue. Like I said, it's just hard to find a good time to talk to people in a class when it's also just very quiet. If you have any tips for making friends in college besides just the basic like compliment them or ask them where something's from or something like that, I don't know, let me know. Back in the car. Let's do a haul. So I returned some stuff, and in my head, since I got store credit, I basically just got a gift card and I got like some stuff for free, even though that's definitely not how it works, and I did spend that money, just not this time. It's my friend's birthday, I think tomorrow. I just got a bag to put the gift in, and I got this candle that smells really good, and I just also thought the print was really cute and it would probably look cute in their room. I hope she likes it because candles are a hard gift to give, but I feel like this one is a pretty basic scent. It's pumpkin, cheesecake cookies. It's not super strong. It's just a nice little fall candle and it smells really good. And I also got her a birthday balm.com from Glossier. It's their lip balms. They have like a birthday cake one, so I thought it would be cute to get her that. I don't think we have any more Ziploc bags, so I got these. I've heard so many good things about this primer, so I am trying it. I almost didn't get it, but I was like, you know what? I have a gift card. Again, the logic just kind of doesn't make sense, but it's fine. I got some emergency packets. This is my favorite flavor. I also got body wash. I've never tried that body wash before, so I'm excited. And then I got the e.l.f. setting spray. This setting spray is so good. Makes my makeup last a really long time, and it's only like $6. And that is everything I got. This is a reusable bag from IKEA, and it just folds into this little pouch, so it's super convenient. And then I also got Starbucks, so I got my usual grande strawberry acai lemonade with light ice and no strawberries, and I got the pumpkin loaf. I have so much time before my next class. I am not 100% sure what to do. I literally would just sit in my car for like an hour. Maybe I will, I don't know, who knows. I definitely need to figure out more things to do on these days where I have this like really long break. There is a coffee shop by my school that I could always go like work at or something if I wanted to, but since I got something to like drink and eat, I don't really want to go there because then I'd have to like buy something. So I don't know what to do right now. Also, I apologize that like the majority of this vlog was just sitting in my car, but I'm not gonna like pull out my camera and vlog in class or something. I don't know what to do. I'll figure it out and update you guys when I know what I'm doing. I am at my next class, or at least in the parking lot. Basically all I did to pass the time was call my dad. The time went by a lot quicker than I thought it would, so it ended up being fine. This next class is kind of long, so I will see you guys in a couple hours. So I'm back home. I'm sitting at my desk right now, which you guys will see very soon. I'm gonna have a whole video where I show you guys my desk setup. I should be able to have it up soon because I'm just waiting on one more thing to come in, and it's the biggest part of the desk, and I'm very excited about it, but you guys will see that soon. I want to write down everything that I need to do for my classes. I do have some homework for a couple, and then I have an asynchronous class that I also need to get stuff done for, and that's really important because if I don't get stuff done by the next couple days, then I will be dropped from the class, and we obviously don't want that. So I'm very excited. I finally get to use my new academic planner. This is from Papier, in case you were wondering. I have a discount code with them. I'll put it on the screen because I can't remember exactly what it is. Okay, I found the week that it's on. I'm on the weekly overview page, and today's Monday, so I'm just gonna write down in this line section. It's kind of overexposed. I don't know if you can see. Just all of my homework that I have for today. I think I need to finish a movie that we started in class today. I also have some readings for my anthropology class. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to tell you guys. There was this person in my anthropology class that was wearing like, just like a colorful t-shirt that like, not t-shirt, like polo that like kind of stood out to me. And then when I was at Target, I saw that same like shirt and I was like, oh my gosh, that person was in my anthropology class. And so I did something out of my comfort zone. To some people, this might not be a big deal, but for me, I'm like genuinely really proud of myself for doing this because I have a lot of social anxiety. But I told myself, I was like, okay, you're gonna go introduce yourself. So I walked up to him and I was like, were you just in an anthropology class? Because basically I'm in your class, whatever. And he was like, oh my gosh, yeah. And I just like introduced myself and got his name and everything. He was super nice. So that was nice. I'm glad now that I have someone who at least like, I know their name in that class because I didn't know anybody. Anyways, I just had to tell you guys because I don't know why I didn't tell you earlier. I totally forgot. But yeah, I was so proud of myself for that. Like, I don't know if that sounds stupid. I don't care. That was a very big step for me. Like that is not like me. I would never do that. I need to do some readings for that class. I need to buy the textbooks and I need to do homework for the asynchronous class. I want to say that's it. At least that's it for the classes that I've had today. I'll find out more tomorrow and the next day, but I really just want to stay on top of everything. I don't want to let this pile up because that would just make me so stressed out. I really want to work on time management. I'm honestly not feeling great. I have pretty bad cramps right now, so I want to have a relaxing night. It was also the first day of school. It was also a very long day. Maybe I'll take a bath. I feel like that could help with the cramps. Light a little candle and just take it easy. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but I brought a little lamp in here so that the lighting was a little bit more relaxing. anyways, it's the next day and I am all ready for class. This is my outfit, another very simple, boring one, but still cute. I'm dressing a little bit more for the warmer weather today because yesterday I made the mistake of wearing jeans and it was like 92 degrees. I am not feeling good today, honestly. I am in so much pain. Took some pain meds, hopefully those kick in. I am not looking forward to class. I could literally just lay in bed right now, fall back asleep, and like not move for 12 hours. But anyways, at least I only have one class today, so it's not that big of a deal. At least it's not like one of my really busy days. I don't have to leave for like 15 minutes. I think right now I just want to sit down and watch Love Island. I'm watching Love Island UK season 3. This is the first time I've ever watched it too, so this is like the first season I've ever seen. So I'm gonna watch it and try to just relax for the next few minutes because I'm not doing well. First of all, I am ridiculously sweaty right now. That was such a stressful experience. I tried 3 different parking garages and there was like no parking. I finally found one by like following a girl to her car, basically. Not in a creepy way. I was just like, are you leaving? But anyways, I finally found one and it was in the farthest parking garage that I really could have parked at. Anyways, I made it on time. So anyways, I get out of class. Also, she let us out early. I'm supposed to be done half an hour from now. So I am like on top of the world. Also, I get out and my roommate from my dorms, Jade, Venmoed me $5 for Starbucks. I have been craving Starbucks today, so I was like, I am so gonna take advantage of that and go get it. She obviously knows me well because she knew that I was having a hard morning. I don't know how she knew to send it right now, but she did. That timing was just crazy. We hadn't like talked. I have no idea why she like thought to send me that right now, like roommate telepathy or something. But yeah, I am going to go to my dorm right now, or like the dorm building. I have to go pick up a package from my dorm. Like, so weird. I got an email today, or no, maybe it wasn't today. I think it was a few days ago that I got a package delivered, which I have no idea why. I don't know what that could be. So we're gonna go pick it up. Let's go see what that is. I'm so confused. Hi guys, I am on my way to Starbucks right now. I got the package and I think it's from Pink, so I will open that when I get home, but it's a pretty big package. So I'll get that sorted out and make sure no more packages get sent there. I have a grande strawberry acai lemonade with light ice and no berries, please. Thank you. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Pink. So they sent this really cute sweater and the texture is really nice. And then they sent some matching shorts. They also sent a couple workout sets. So there's this gray sports bra with these leggings and they have this little like tie. And then this green sports bra with some matching green leggings that have the Pink logo on the side. And then they sent over some socks. I'm very excited about these socks for some reason. And lastly, some sunglasses. And these sunglasses are really cute. So thank you, Pink. I don't know if I told you guys earlier, but it is my friend Nicole's birthday today. I actually did talk about that a little bit yesterday, but we're going to dinner with her tonight. And right now, I think my roommate and our friend Maria is on their way here. And we're just gonna hang out until it's time to go to dinner. And we're gonna like meet Nicole and her roommate, our friend Kaylin there. That should be really fun. I'm excited to see them. That's what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. I'm also gonna try to clean up a little bit before they get here. And then Nicole hasn't seen my apartment yet. So afterwards, they're gonna come here and hang out for a bit. So I'm excited about that too. Hey guys, it's the next day. Here's the outfit. Once again, kind of boring. I'm gonna pack up some of my stuff and then head to school. For today's classes, I have 3. It's a very similar schedule to Monday. The first and last classes of the day are different. Middle class is the same as Monday, but all my classes are in the same rooms as Monday, even though like a couple of them are different. So I'm gonna be in all the same places. I do finish a little bit earlier today. I need to get a new backpack. I don't know if I already like mentioned this, but this tote bag is just not cutting it. I have my laptop, a notebook, headphones, a hard drive, other random little things in there, and it's just really heavy, and I don't even have textbooks yet. So I'm gonna try to to get an actual backpack because I also want to start taking like lunches and stuff like that. Since I'm here all day, I kind of need something to eat. So I'm gonna have to start bringing some more stuff, but I am gonna try to put all my textbooks on my iPad instead of getting the physical copies so that it's not as like heavy. I feel like that will just be so much easier. I need to get a backpack. Maybe I'll just use my old one. Also, I'm sorry that I can't really like show you guys my day. Obviously, I'm not gonna pull my vlog camera out during class. There's nothing really to vlog in class. And then in between classes, I'm kind of just like sitting down doing nothing. Maybe just eating a protein bar or something, but that's about it. Kind of just waiting until my next class. So yeah, you guys are not missing out on much, but I should probably head to class in just a minute. So I will see you guys later. Really quickly because I kind of have to rush to my next class, but look how cute this drink is. I just got this drink from a coffee place by my school. I'm running out of storage. I'll see you guys later. I did not really have time to talk to you guys before my class. Basically, I had like a half-hour break, so I decided to go to a coffee shop, and I knew I was gonna be cutting it close, but I just like wasn't sure. I feel like I usually overestimate how much time I need, so I was like, okay, you know what? I'm probably just overthinking it. I can probably go. And I might as well try so I know like in the future if I'll be able to. So that's what I did. I got myself, it's like melted now, but this like blended strawberries and cream, almost like milkshake type thing. It kind of tastes like the Neapolitan shake from In-N-Out. But anyways, now I know I don't have enough time to do that, but I can probably do that on my day where I have
stop sign, turn left onto
where I have a bigger break. And then I could also just go do like homework there and stuff. Also, I was gonna tell you guys,
turn right onto
I met a subscriber, which I thought was so cool, and she was so sweet. I'm glad she said something because I think she said that she saw me one time, but she didn't say hi for whatever reason. I can't remember, but if you guys ever see me, oh my gosh, please say hi. Like, I love meeting you guys. I think I even said this earlier in the video, but I probably have an RBF. So sorry about that, but please ignore it because I swear I do want to talk to you guys. Hi guys, it's the next day. I fell asleep so early last night. It was one of those times where like you're so tired that you are just counting down the minutes until it's like a reasonable time to fall asleep. I could have fallen asleep at like 7:30 last night, but I knew that if I did, I would probably wake up a few hours later, be super confused, and then just not get a good night's sleep. So I tried to just like keep myself awake. I was doing homework for a little bit and then I fell asleep. It was actually so nice to get like a full night of sleep and actually feel rested when I woke up. I physically feel better, emotionally feel better. The past few days were rough for me, if you couldn't tell. But anyways, I don't have school today or tomorrow. So basically my first week of school is already finished. So I am gonna end the video here, but it's also because I am gonna be filming something fun today, which will be the next video that you guys see. It does have to do with my desk and a big girl purchase that's coming in the mail today. So yeah, you guys will see that soon. I'm so excited to show you. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope all of your first weeks of school went well if you've already started. And please let me know any videos that you guys might want to see. It could be school related, but it doesn't have to be. That's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.